Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help you avoid scams, save money, and get educated. Now this one is a little more tricky to pull off, but it's definitely something that you need to be aware of. So what happens here is that somebody will come up behind you, and they will basically T-bone you or hit you in the side. Now usually these people don't have insurance, or they have very bad insurance. And what they do is they get enough damage to your vehicle to where you have to go to a body shop, but not enough damage to where they get in trouble with the police. So then what you do is you take your vehicle to a body shop, and the body shop calls the insurance company, and the insurance company says, "Oh yeah, we're going to pay for this." But the thing that you need to watch out for is if they pay for this, they're going to pay for it in a different currency. What they do is they inflate the price of the repair, and then they give you a check for that repair. And if you deposit that check, you're going to find yourself in a world of hurt because that check is going to bounce. Now, I had a body shop owner tell me a story about this. Said, "Hey, look, I've got this guy's car. His insurance company just paid for it, and he's not here to pick it up, and I couldn't get a hold of him. What am I going to do?" I said, "Well, if he left a forwarding address, you could try calling the police and see if they can do a trace on the address." Said, "I don't have an address, just a name." So this guy had given him a check for $17,000, and he was trying to cash it. But what he didn't do was make sure that the guy had insurance that was actually good for something. Now, if you have full coverage insurance on your vehicle and somebody hits you and runs off, guess what? Your insurance company is going to pay for it, and then they're going to go after that person. But what you don't want to do is go after that person yourself, because then you mess up the lawsuit, and they pay for it. So you've got to be very careful who you go after and who you trust when it comes to getting into accidents. You never know who's at fault for it. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.